So I'm in a Microsoft Word page and I am simply typing 00B for creating a question mark that is downside. Okay, simply open the MS Word and after that you must type like this 00BF. Okay, I type like this 00BF. Now the next step is you can see this is the alt key and this is the S key. You must press these two keys at the same time. One of your finger is in this alt key and another is in this key. So if you press these two keys at the same time, then you can see that a question mark that is downwards, a question mark that comes downwards have been arrived here. So this is the symbol creating using Altus method. Obviously, for more videos, you can subscribe Business Online. Thank you.